Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the battery in your Razer Blade laptop. This process is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. Tools required *. 1. A Phillips number 00 screwdriver. 2. A plastic spudger or prying tool. 3. An anti-static wrist strap, optional but recommended. 4. A new compatible Razer Blade battery. 5. Isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Make sure you're working on a clean, static-free surface. If you have an anti-static wrist strap, put it on to avoid damaging your laptop's components. Step 2. Power down and unplug. Before you start, power down your laptop completely and unplug it from any power source. This ensures your safety while working on the device. Step 3. Remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate and remove the screws from the back cover of your Razer Blade. Keep these screws in a safe place, you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Step 4. Disconnect the battery. With the back cover removed, locate the battery connector. Carefully disconnect it by pulling it straight out. This step is crucial to ensure that no power is flowing while you work on the battery. Step 5. Remove the old battery. Next, locate the screws securing the battery in place. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Gently lift the battery out of its compartment. If the battery is stuck, you may need to use your spudger to carefully pry it loose. Step 6. Clean the interior. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. Use a microfiber cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol for this task. Keeping the interior clean is essential for the longevity of your laptop. Step 7. Install the new battery. Take your new compatible Razer Blade battery and place it into the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that the battery is seated properly before moving on. Step 8. Reconnect the battery connector. Once the battery is installed, reconnect the battery connector. It should snap into place easily. Make sure it's secure to ensure proper functionality. Step 9. Replace the back cover. Align the back cover with the laptop and press down gently to engage the clips. Replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover in place. Step 10. Power on. Finally, plug your laptop back in and power it on. Check to see if the battery is recognized and functioning properly. If you find this process challenging or if you don't have the tools at hand, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about traveling or making calls. You can even receive a quote before any repair is made. Your convenience is our priority. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Razer Blade laptop. Enjoy extended usage and improved performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.